Hi guys, how are you today? So today we are going to look at this most or very important accessory for your bike, for your Royal Enfield, because this is a bike cover which we are going to which I have purchased it from Royal Enfield. This is a wonderful product. See, there are also available. There are product bike covers available for 390 rupees, 400 or something like that. But I'm not sure how well that will go with this bike because we needed a cover which would actually not scratch the bike, and it does not take too much time for application. So keeping all those things in the mind, I came up with this thing and I checked with that, and luckily I was able to test this before purchasing this bike cover. So I'm totally satisfied with this bike cover. This is actually made of this material is pure nylon, and I have purchased the black color, and it goes with all the Royal Enfield bike like Interceptor 650, Continental 650, Himalayan Classic 350, Classic 500, Bullet, all this thing, all the Bullet Royal Enfield bikes, and the application time is going to be just 5 minutes. The fitting time is going to be 5 minutes. Removal or whatever it is, maximum the maximum they say is 5 minutes, but I have tested it and I have done it with before 30 seconds or something. That is what I have tried. I will show you the video of fitting and removing at the end of this thing, but please note that I have forwarded the speed, but it doesn't mean that I have used it for, like, it took me just 30 seconds or something. So however, I just don't wanted to waste your time, but I have that is why I have forwarded the video here. But however, it just took me 30 seconds, that's it. And it can protect your motorcycle. This is not a waterproof cover, this is just a water resistant cover. However, I feel that this is so good. You also get a bike cover, cover for this packing, cover for this bike cover. So it is all. I am totally satisfied with this product because, it does not only save from water or when you park your vehicle outside, it also saves from the eye. It also will save from the eyes of the thief or someone who's ready to steal everything, steal the parts from your bike. So that is one thing. I am totally okay, or I give 100%. I recommend 100% to purchase this one for your bike, not only for ride as well as safety as well. So in case if you go for a long drive, if you wanted to, if you wanted to go, if you are going for a Ladakh trip and you might not have a good parking space, so at that point of time, you need a place where the bike is safely parked, as well as no one is looking at it, or nobody is going to steal after you sleep. So this will keep out of their eyes. So that is the one thing. So this is how now we will see how to put this bike cover over my Himalayan bike. This is fully loaded Himalayan bike. Okay, you see that I have a top box, I have a panniers, and I have everything there. So I am, and I have a hand guard, I have a jerry can, everything is there. I have a, what do you call, alpha aux lamp, all these things are here. So I don't want in my apartment. I have lost I have lost my mobile holders many times. So I don't want to take a chance here. That is the reason I'm going to I am purchasing this, and it is not for rain, but it will also save my bike. If you own a Himalayan, you will know why rain cover is most important thing, because night you will park relaxedly, you will park your bike, but in the morning sometimes if it is raining, it will not start. So since it is elastic, I am going to hook it to something else, like this is a bottle holder I have, Decathlon bottle holder. So I will hook it to that, so then it will be it will not move out. So I'll show you why I'm hooking it to bottle holder. See, I am now putting it into the footrest, and it comes out immediately. Just one tap, it will come out. But if I put it in a bottle holder, it is not going to come out. even a small thing cannot remove this bike cover. This is actually it is not a locker or safety thing, but it will keep if it is open immediately, they can remove the mobile holder. Easily removable things can be removed very easily, so it will take some time for them to react. So that is the main idea of me buying this bike cover. And I have purchased it for around I have purchased it from Royal Enfield Erragada showroom, and I have purchased black color. It is 975 rupees, and if you I have shown you the invoice, and it is very easily removable as well. Now I am removing it, and actually I am not using the cover which has been provided to pack this. I am just since it is I am going to go inside a local trip, so I am planning to remove it, and I will put it in the top box. So it is that easy, and it takes very minimal time. Right now, actually, if you see, I am putting it in the top box, and then I'll just drive it away, and when I come back, I will again do the same thing. So that is the main idea of me buying this bike cover. I hope you will also like it, and I would strongly recommend you to purchase this bike cover, because it will save your bike from water as well as thieves. So I would strongly recommend it, and it is if you wanted to pack it inside, tuck it if you want to pack it or tuck it inside something, some box, maybe top box or something, I would suggest you to compress it, remove the air completely, and you just squeeze it so that the air will come out. It is a breathable material. I see that it is a breathable material, because with the cover itself, if you squeeze it, it will come within your palm, so it is very easy to tuck it inside your top box. I can actually, I use my top box for this helmet as well as this bike cover. So it is very helpful. It can go inside. Small things can I can put it inside. I can put my helmet with the camera as well as this one. So this will be very helpful for me to take it out whenever it is required. Okay. So I hope you like this video, and please feel free to like, subscribe and share. And thank you so much for watching, and have a great day, guys. I appreciate your time. Bye.